Hey y'all, so on this video I wanted to do a voiceover because I wanted to update y'all on a few things that's been going on. So I've been meaning to um edit this video for a while, and just a little bit of backstory on what's been going on with me. Um uh to be quite honest, um I just got out of the hospital yesterday evening. And so I'm just hopping on here to do a quick voiceover on the video so I can get it up, which is why I haven't been able to edit the video until now. So I wanted to hop on and let you guys know that's why I haven't been able to do the video or get it up and share it with you guys, or even do the live that I posted about doing because I was in the hospital. Um, as you guys know, I do have some medical issues, and so a lot of the times I'm not able to upload as regularly as I would like, and so therefore I have spaces in time where there's uploads and then there's not, and then there's times like these where there's gaps in times. So I apologize for that. And so with that, I just wanted to tell you guys this. So but that's where the idea came in, that when I'm able, and then when I have an idea about um just hopping on doing a live soap making video, if I felt like doing it, just hopping on doing it, I wanted to do it because I might be feeling good that day, and um and I just wanted to be able to hop on and do it, and trying something new. That would be something good for me, just hopping on doing a live soap making. And it's spontaneous, and sometimes I like being spontaneous, and you guys would get to just see me hop on doing that um soap making video. So if y'all are down for that, let me know. You get to see all the good bloopers and everything, because there won't be no editing on that. Okay. So on this video, I'm gonna tell you this. I was recording this video from on this view, and then the camcorder was recording, and you will see that the footage stopped later on from the camcorder. It's messed up, and then I had to change because the view messed up, and then I had to change to my phone because the footage froze from the camcorder, and so I had to continue recording on my phone, so then the view will change later, and that's an issue. So I don't know, from this point forward I might have to use the phone from now on until I can get that remedied too. That's another issue for another day. But yeah, anyway, so you'll see that later. But I wanted to try a different kind of pour on this particular soap, so you'll see what I'm doing with this soap right now. You'll see that I've just really waiting for the volcano, which you'll see right here. And shortly, really, after this volcano is when the recording situation goes awry here. Um, and the camera freezes and everything. And I lose the other footage, but good thing I would have my camera, my phone camera going. But the thing is, you'll see that I tried a different pour technique, and that's what I'm going to be trying to do with several different things. And I wanted to swirl. I know next time I do this pour, I'm going to swirl different too. So see here, I had to change the angle because the stand that I had wasn't working with the phone being overhead. So I had to put the phone on a side angle this way to try to catch it. So you might see other things in the angle. I'm sorry. This is the best I could do so that you can still see what's going on. However, I hope y'all still get to see what I'm doing. So anyhow, check it out. And notice I stirred it down, and I just let it automatically and covered it, and I let it just rise again on itself, which is I let it self cook and self, volcano on itself, because when I do that, for me, it's self cooking, and for me, that is good. And I'm gonna let that do that again a time or two, um, until it's gonna look creamy to me. Um, it's gonna I'll cover it again, and then the last time I take it off, it's gonna have a creamy appearance. At that point, um, I'll stir it down, and it'll be just where I want it. But you won't be able to see it because guess what? The top angle camera went out, so that sucks. But yeah. I'm just checking the temperatures here. I want um, the soap batter to be about um, see how loose the soap batter is. I want it to be at least 170, 160, because if it is, I can add um, my yogurt or my fragrance. And if I knew the overhead camera was not working at that point, because I was showing the fragrance to the overhead camera, but you can't see that there. That was the first fragrance I was showing was Flaming Candles Sunflower, and then the second one was Lone Star's Vanilla Cotton. That was the scent combination. And then I'm gonna go ahead here and add my yogurt, I do believe, and go ahead and stir that in. It's time for my color separation. I'm gonna separate my colors here. Y'all just keep in mind too, you don't have to have yogurt to have a loose batter. As you can see, before I even added the yogurt, my batter was loose. I like to add yogurt to my batter for the lactic acid, and to also create a looser um, um, batter for my um, soap. Especially because I'm about to try to do this pour here. You'll see. and I didn't do any. Generally, I always use a water discount, but on this one, I didn't do a water discount at all. So it's full water. And you can't see, but I thought the overhead camera was working, but it's not. But you see the kind of pour I'm doing. Barely, but you can see. I really, at this point, I really should have kept pouring. I really should have kept pouring um, from the one side, because when I do the cut, you'll see that inside the soap, it was like dollops instead of what I was going for. And I should have done some type of swirling, but I will do that on my next pour when I do another soap. I think I will do a different kind of pour too, and I may do some swirling. I don't know. I want to try a couple of different things. I've got some ideas I'm gonna try. Always some different ideas, more soap videos to try. But if y'all got some ideas, oh, please leave them in the comments, because I need some ideas to try, and I'd love to hear them from you all in the comments. Please. Y'all, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Oh, I almost did y'all dirty and almost forgot to show y'all the cut. Here it goes. My bad, y'all. Let me know what y'all think about it and what y'all think about the cut in the comments below. I hope y'all like it. Let me know. Enjoy. Talk to y'all later. Bye.